Hey guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. In this video I'll be unboxing USB clock fan. And it looks like this. These are the soft plates, which is very durable. It has a very flexible neck and you can change your position. You can just simply plug it into the USB port and you can turn it on by pressing this switch. And there is no driver installation required. USB powered and it's low consumption. And let's turn it on. Since the laptop is on service, I'll be using a power bank. Pretty much you can use it everywhere where there is a power supply in a USB port, like TV or OTG cable connected to your mobile, power bank, like pretty much everywhere. And let me show you how to use it. Now let us connect the fan to the power bank. For turning this on, you have to press this on and off button. And it shows a cool LED display. For setting the time, you have to press this on and off button for 2 seconds until the minute hand starts blinking. After it starts blinking, you have to press the minute hand for 3 seconds until the minute hand starts spinning fast. And then you can set the time by releasing this. After releasing this, after 6 seconds, and your time is set. Overall, it's a good product. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.